Good afternoon, I'm Adrian Crawford, it's Williams Crawford Passion for Porsche Walkabout Wednesday. Today I want to talk to you first of all about the longevity of our business, the fantastic start that we've had to the year, and a topic that we often get asked: when is the best time to sell? So in case you didn't know, so the business has been going over 30 years, and the background to it was that I started buying Porsche here in the UK and reselling them, and soon after had an opportunity to buy them from a lovely guy called Bernard Weiss in Germany. And of course the cars were so much nicer and at the time quite significantly cheaper, and this would have been one of them. So I'd have bought this 993 back in 1999-ish. I remember where I sold it again, and then this last owner's had it over 20 years from me, and he remembered, even if I couldn't, that back in the day I used to say, if you bought it from me, when you're ready to sell, bring it back, and I'd love to have it back. And that's the same for any of you that are thinking of selling or thinking of changing your Porsche. If it's one of our old ones, we're usually really keen. Now this 993 is a great example of exactly that scenario. Over 20 years later, the owners come back to me, ask me about values, we've worked out what to do with it and what's best for him, and now it's on sale, and who knows where it'll go. Well, we had a nice rest over Christmas, and it's always good to rejuvenate over that period of time. We've come back to find that we've done really well in all departments. The service is busy, the special services is busy, that's for motorsport and restoration and modernising cars and things like that. And the car sales we've done great with. We got young Harry behind the camera today, Beth, who's brilliant, day off today, Andy and Ross, experienced hands. And from that, we're only 2 weeks into the new year, but we've got empty spaces here. We've got empty space outside, empty space inside, and we need them filled. So if there is a message to this video and you're keeping up, it's that we need more Porsche for our sales. McCann's have done really well. We had a GTS just this week, and I probably had 5 different customers on it. The McCann's, Caymans, Boxsters, 991, 997s, and then of course the classics. And it's all going, and I love that, because at the end of the day there seems to be a bit of doom and gloom about, not just in our country but in other countries, and it seems to me that as long as we're doing a good job and we're trying hard and we're progressing and maybe doing a better job than others, then it works. And really pleased with that start. So one of the most common questions that we get asked, and it doesn't matter whether it's in January, December or June, is when's the best time to sell my Porsche? And of course we've got convertibles and we've got SUVs with 4-wheel drives and coupes and all sorts of things, and classic cars and so on and so forth. And the answer is, it's right away. That's your best time to sell. The reason is that these cars are for, well, it might sound bad, but if I say no one needs a Porsche. If you need transportation, we can go off and get a bicycle or a Kia or something like that. But if the people that want a Porsche are buying it because it's a want, it's a desire, it's an emotional thing, and they can be in the market at any given time. They might not even know they're in the market, but they see a car of their dreams. It's bright red, it's open top, it's got beautiful black leather, it's in lovely condition, and they'll see it and they'll just think, that is for me, and then they'll be on the phone. And that can happen any time of the year. So if you're thinking of selling, changing, or you've got one gathering dust in your garage, give us a call, and the first point of contact may even be Harry or Beth, Andy or Ross, or on Classics it's sometimes me, and we'll just talk you through where the market is, what the process is, and we'll try to give you the very best advice on what to do with it. But the message, please do not wait. We never know when the man walks in a bright yellow suit with green shoes and he buys a bright yellow car with green carpets. You just do not know when that's going to happen. Let's not wait for him. If you have something that you fancy selling, please call or email us. It's informal, it's free, and we'll be giving you the very best advice that we possibly can. If you are thinking of changing or purchasing, even if it's for a different make, then before you trade your beautiful Porsche into a Bentley dealer, give us a call. We might take it beforehand and make your deal that much better. Or we might even be able to persuade you away from the lovely Bentley into a gorgeous Porsche again. But yeah, by all means, give us a call. Also, summer will come, irrespective of what it might look like when you look out the window sometimes. Summer definitely will come, and this is the time when people start getting their cars prepared, their cars checked, so it's like you can get in, turn the key, and head to spec. So now is the time to get in touch and let us book it into either the classic or the modern workshop and deal with those types of things. I hope you're having a good year. I hope you're having a great start to the year. Love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.